Hey guys, it's Invader here, and it's 12:39 at night exactly. I just watched the clock turn. It's storming here in Washington. Yeah, it never storms. Whoa, did you guys see that? Of course you guys saw that. I'm freaking recording it right now. I've just put my contacts in because I decided I want to see stuff like this, so yeah. Sorry about lack of videos lately. I have pretty much decided that I'm going to wait till high school starts and get everything situated for my classes and stuff without getting confused to start posting again regular content, but I will be posting content stuff with my iPod. So yeah, get used to it. Unsubscribe if you wish. I don't give a crap. Well, I do give a crap, but it's just gonna make me sad. It's gonna make me a sad zombie bunny. This is just cool. Because this never storms and stuff here. So yeah. See those lights over there? Those things are so flippin' annoying at night. Like, oh, derp, I'm a lamp, derp, 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 derp. There's some lighting off in the distance off to my left. So yeah. The only reason I'm recording out this way because this is the best way I can get a shot. Because there's a house right there and you can see inside my room. So yeah. Whoa! That was massive. Glad I got that one. And my fellow friends, the storm has arrived. And it's gonna be like this all morning. I mean all day, pretty much, because storms are traveling up in a straight line. If you look at a map and stuff, I'm in Washington. Let's just say river, hint hint, where I live. Just hint hint right there. The storms are traveling up towards Canada and stuff. So yeah. Ocean upward of my head. Yeah, sorry, it's also late at night and I'm supposed to be sleeping, so I'm semi-tired right now. Whoa. Okay guys, if you haven't figured out I'm a future meteorologist and stuff, I just love weather. Whoa.
Get to bed.